is the HVAC class. Look, HVAC stuff. They have the cool classes over here. So this whole building is STEM stuff, like trade school stuff, like generators and everything. So they got all the cool classes over here, engineering, and so I'm at school right now. But let me leave. All right. Okay. So bye for right now. Cause right now I'm on the school Wi-Fi. And so once I get off of this, I'm just gonna drop. But yeah, this is where all the cool classes are. Oh man, I'm beat. So I thought first midterm was chapters 1 through 8. He added another chapter. He said it's gonna be a lot of them on chapter 9. I said, dang it, man. Okay, hold on, let me stop this.